ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the Hurricane Sandy drawing. Because we got exactly 8 donations, we are going to double up. So I split it up. You have a good item and not necessarily so good item. The missus here, the lovely Laura, is going to draw a name from this thingamajig here, and the winner gets it. So, you want to draw our first name?
Omar.
Omar. All right. Omar gets Jetfire and Legends Mudflat. Next up we have Legends Bumblebee and another Jetfire.
Chelsea.
Chelsea. Okay. Alright, make sure we keep these together. Alright, next up we have Prowl and Activator Lockdown.
Jeremy.
Alright, Jeremy. Alright, next up. Actually, let me do this, make it fair. Alright, that's a better combination. We have Ultra Magnus and Legends Megatron.
Rita.
Cool. Alright, now I'll do Sentinel here. And Hound. So we have Legend Sentinel, Prime, and Hound.
Joseph.
Okay. Good thing I'm making a video because I'll be able to keep track of who got what. Alright, so we have Jetfire and what is this? Legends Prowl. Oh, Reveal the Shield Prowl.
Omar again.
Yeah, some people donate twice. Alright. So we have Animated Activators Optimus Prime. And there we go. Legends Bulkhead.
Lorna.
Cool. And last but not least, we have Legends Starscream and Legends Brawl. I forget what his name is exactly.
Jeremy.
Cool. Alright, congratulations everybody. I will try to get these all out by Monday, definitely by the end of the week. And thank you for all the help. Say goodbye, Laura.